Reboot your mind, refreshing your thought process. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, reboot your mind. This phrase is not just about language, but about a concept that can be really powerful in our daily lives. So, let's explore what it means to reboot your mind, how it's used, and why it's such an interesting part of the English language. Reboot your mind is a phrase that draws an analogy from computers. Just like how you reboot or restart a computer to fix issues or refresh its system, rebooting your mind means to refresh or change your way of thinking. It implies a mental reset, where you clear out old, unhelpful thoughts and make room for new, positive ones. Key components of the phrase. Reboot, originally a computer term, meaning to restart or renew. Mind, refers to one's thoughts, consciousness, and mental processes. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For example, 1. Personal development. When someone is stuck in a negative mindset or old habits, rebooting your mind means adopting a fresh, positive perspective. 2. Problem solving. In a challenging situation, it might be suggested to reboot your mind to approach the problem from a new angle. 3. Learning and creativity. Sometimes, when learning something new or trying to be creative, a mental reboot can help overcome blocks and open up new ways of thinking. English often uses metaphorical language, like reboot your mind, to express complex ideas simply and vividly. This phrase is a great example of how English speakers use technology terms metaphorically to describe human experiences and mental processes. Why metaphors are important. Enhances understanding. Metaphors can make complex or abstract concepts easier to grasp. Cultural insights. They reflect how English speakers view the world, blending technology and human experiences. Language learning. Understanding and using metaphors is a key part of mastering English, especially in informal and creative settings. I hope this video has helped illuminate the phrase, reboot your mind, for you. It's a fantastic example of how English can be colorful and insightful, and how technology influences the way we express ourselves. Remember, language learning is also about understanding the culture and the metaphors behind the words. So, keep exploring and rebooting your mind in your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.